Hello guys, welcome to the new video of our channel. So one more thing, if you're new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much who all supported. Thank you so much for supporting us. Okay, so see, I was doing one program that was in Python, which means I was doing one project. In that I faced one issue, or I faced one problem. Okay, so I thought that I will share with you. That was big, but I thought I'll share in small code only. Okay, so for that, what I have taken one code. Okay, that is try and accept is there. You can see here. What I will do, I will run this program first. Okay, see what it is giving now. An exception occurred. Why it is occurred? As you know, or if you don't know, I will tell. Try what it will do. Try block let you test the block of code for errors. Try what it will do. It will test the block of code for errors. And except what it will do, it will handle the error. Okay, suppose when error occurs, that time Python what it will do, it will stop executing the program and it will generate one error. If you suppose while doing program, if there is an error, Python what it will do, it will stop and it will generate one error. Okay, so to handle that, what we are using here try block. What it will do, it will generate an exception. Okay, here see here, this is try, right? What it will do, it will generate an exception because here in this block there is an error. So what it is doing, it will generate an exception. So we are getting exceptional occurred error. Okay, suppose if I define this, why we are getting this error, because we have not defined x. Suppose if I define x here, that is x is equal to 20, and if I execute, see I got answer because there is no error. Try, it is tested for errors, but there is no error, so it is giving result. If there is error, it will pass to accept. Okay, so like this try and accept will work. Suppose if you have any queries or question, this please comment in comment box, and if you have any queries regarding Python, that also comment in comment box, so we'll answer to that, because I work in Python only. And we have playlists also, you can visit our playlist. There you will get Python playlist also, machine learning, Laravel is also there, API is also there. Okay, and thank you so much everyone for supporting. Thank you.